The world is changing. People are more aware about environment, energy, pollution. Luxury has to evolve, to lead industrial behaviors, to become an example. My name is Cedric Bellon. I am a designer. When I started working in the watch industry, I was amazed. It was a world of marvels. But soon I realized that beyond the love of watches, I was in a quest of meaning in this job. My sensitivity to environmental topics led me to think about new ways of making watches and to surround myself with like-minded people.
I am Alon Joseph. I was born in a family of jewelers, raised in the luxury industry. But most of all, I'm a watch enthusiast. I've seen projects come and go, and I've seen greenwashing, lots of it. I can see right through it, and when I know something is good, I want to help. That's how our collaboration started.
This watch reaches a sustainability score of 87.5%. Here's why. It's locally produced with the minimum number of parts and of machining. It is made out of 100% recycled stainless steel, case, dial and buckle. The naked finish of the raw stainless steel dial eliminates the need for chemical processes, paints, inks and glues. And instead of ordering new movements, it encases repurposed ones.
It's not just about design. It goes much deeper. I wanted to be part of this. Together we created the ACE Cedric Bellon CB01 GMT. And we added the flavor of my hometown to it. Amsterdam is the city of bicycle culture, of water, both traditional and modern, an ideal location to grow sustainable thinking. I wanted to add that culture to the watch.
Everybody talks about sustainability, but the implications of production and logistic processes are rarely questioned. Until what we are doing now. We use recycled and recyclable materials, but not only. CB watches are the first to be designed bottom-up with a circular production in mind. And we have the figures to back it up. Together with ACE, we created a special watch. A watch for which processes and components have been designed and measured for sustainability. By rethinking our processes, by measuring results and improving them one step at a time, we have started to develop a more virtuous watch industry. Then we encourage our industry peers to follow the same path. It's only the beginning, because with ownership comes responsibility.